everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a keychain wristlet. If you follow me on any of my social media platforms, you see that I make these quite often as a bundle with my acrylic keychains. So before we get started, let's go ahead and go over the materials needed. So you're going to need some nylon string or some stretchy string. I prefer the stretchy because I don't know the size of everyone's wrist, and it's just easier to manage with a stretchy string. Now the rhinestone glue is optional. I use this to kind of seal off my knots and stuff them inside the bead, so it kind of gives you that seamless look. Then you're going to need either a upholstery needle or a beaded needles. Since the silicones holes are pretty large, I go with the upholstery needle, but for like when you're adding spacers, I go for the beaded needle. Then you're going to need a tassel. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be using the large tassels, but you can also use the small tassels, whichever one you prefer to use. But for this video, since I have not used the tassels before, I'm going to use that. And then you're going to need some jump rings. Typically when you purchase keychains on Amazon, they all come with jump rings and keychain link attachments, so all of this should be actually a part of the bundle that you're getting on Amazon. And lastly, you're going to need your silicone beads. Now I have multiple kits, but I haven't used this kit yet, so I'm going to be using this kit in particular today. So all the beads in front of you are from the kit right here. Now all this will be linked in the description box below if you're interested. Now the string that I cut is around 21 inches, but you really don't need that much string. I just always cut a little extra just to have a little leeway, but you only need around like maybe, I want to say 14 to 16 inches. Once you're done with your wristlet, you're going to go ahead and feed your wristlet through the keychain link and go ahead and tie it off at least 3 to 4 times. And then again, I like to seal off my knots with the rhinestone glue. So pretty much I put some glue inside one bead, and then I use my upholstery needle to kind of feed that knot into the bead, so it can give you that seamless look. And that concludes the video, you guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you are notified when I upload my next tutorial. And everyone, I'll talk to you later.